In this exercise, we want to discuss the arithmetic mean and range of the observations. In the first question, we want to find the range of heights of any 10 students of your class. Here only some examples. The heights are 142 centimeter, all are in centimeter. 142 centimeter, 140 centimeter, 139 centimeter, 135 centimeter, 149 centimeter, 135 centimeter, 141 centimeter, 132 centimeter, 147 centimeter and 139 centimeter. Here, which is the smallest observation? We know the range is the difference between the smallest and the highest. Here, which is the smallest? I think it is 132, smallest one. Since no other observation is smaller than 132. Here 139, 135 and 139 are there. So all are greater than 132. Then which is the highest one? Highest one is 149. So we want to find the difference between 132 and 149. So range is equal to 149 minus 132. So here 7, 1. So 17 is the range. So let us look into the next. Organize the following marks in class assessment in tabular form. So the observations are 4, 6, 7, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 2, 6, 2, 5, 1, 9, 6, 5, 8, 4, 6, 7. So here we can use tally marks. How many 4s are there? Before that we want to check which are the observations. So the numbers from 1 to 9 are there. So let us look how many 1, how many 2, like that. So here 1 observation 1, how many times? Here only 1 time. So we can write 1. Then 2, how many times? 2. Here 1, 2, 2 times. Then 3, how many times? 1, 1 time. And 4, how many times? 1, 2, 3 times. So here we can write 1, 2, 3 like that. Then 5, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how we can write 5 in tabular form? That means tally mark. So this is the way we can write 4 lines, then cross it. Then 6, how many 6 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So 4, 6 we can write 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 7, how many numbers? 1, 2. So 7 we can write 2, 1, 2. Then how many 8s? 1, 8 and 1, 9. So 8 is 1 time, 8 is 1 and 9 also 1. Then let us calculate all this. So how we can find? So we can calculate all these marks. That is, we can make tabular form. Tabular form means we want to make table. Then the marks. Marks is here. Marks. Then tally marks. Here we want to write tally marks. So number 1, that is 1 mark. How many? 1 students. 2 mark. 2 students. 3 mark. 1 student. 4 mark. 3 students. 5 mark. 5 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here also we can draw like that. 6 marks. How many students? 6 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 marks. 1, 2. 8 marks. 1, 9 also 1. So how we can write? This is 1, 2, 1, 3, 5. This is 4 and this is 2. This is 1 and this is also 1. Let us add all this. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 1 19, 19 plus 1 20. That means total we have 20 students mark, and at last we got the total as 20. So in this question, which number is the highest one? So 9 is the highest, and which number is the lowest? 1 is the lowest. Then what is the range? Difference between the highest and the lowest. That is 9 minus 1, which is 8. Then we want to find the arithmetic mean. So here we want to find the arithmetic mean by adding all the observations and divide it by 20. 20 observations are there. Let us calculate. So the answer is 100 by 20. So the average is 5. That is arithmetic mean is 5. Here third question, first 5 whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Since all numbers starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the whole numbers, we want to find the arithmetic mean. That is sum of observations by number of observations. Sum 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 by 5, that is 2. So arithmetic mean is 2. Then fourth one. Here the observations given has 58, 76, 40, 35, 46, 45, 0 and 100. These are the scores by a cricketer, and we want to find the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is sum of observations by total number of observations. So 58 plus 76 plus 40 plus 35 plus 46 plus 45 plus 100 by 8. Sum is 400. 400 by 8 is 50. In the fifth question, the tables are given as player A, B, C, and game 1, game 2, game 3 and game 4 is given. Game 1 14 runs and 14 points scored by A. Then game 2 16, 10 and 10. That is 0, 8, 6, 4 and 8, 11, not played, 13. So here find the mean to determine A's average number of points scored per game. So we want to calculate the average of A by adding this. So we can add the numbers 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10. So it is 6 plus 4 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50 by 4. So arithmetic mean is 50 by 4. The next one, find the mean number of points per game for C. Would you divide the total points by 3 or by 4? Why? Since find the mean to determine the number of points scored per game. So here, since C didn't play in a game, so we want to divide that by 3. Since here only 3 points are there, so we want to divide the total number by 3. 8 plus 11 plus 13 divided by 3. So mean of B, that is total score, that is the score in all the 4 games 0, 8, 6 and 4. Sum is 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4. Total number of games are 4. So 18 by 4 is 4.5. The fourth question, who is the best performer? A is the best performer since 14, 16, 10 and 10 are the points scored by A. From this we can say that A is the best. Hello children, let us continue that exercise 3.1, sixth question. The marks out of 100 obtained by 10 students. It is given and we want to find the highest and the lowest, and then we want to find a range and arithmetic mean. Here the marks obtained are 85, 76, 90, 85, 39, 48, 56, 95, 81 and 75. Here first question is, what is the highest and lowest marks obtained by the students? Highest mark among them, which is 95, and lowest is 39. Then what is the next step? We want to find the range. Range is highest minus lowest, that is 95 minus 39, which is 56. Next we want to find arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean of that given marks is sum of the marks by total number of the marks is 10. So it is 730 by 10. After adding all, we will get 730 by 10. It is 73. Then seventh question. The enrollment in a school during 6 years. It is given as 1555, 1670, 1750, 2013, 2540, 2820. We want to find arithmetic mean of enrollment of the student for this period. So these are the number of students in each year, that is 6 years, 6 consecutive years. We want to find the mean enrollment of the school. So total, after adding all, we will get 12,348. Then divided by 6, since 6 years are given, so the answer is 2058. Then 8th question. The rainfall in 7 days of a certain week was recorded. So first we want to find the range of the rainfall in the above data. Range means first we want to find the highest rainfall. Highest rainfall is 20.5 and the lowest rainfall is 0.0. Then what is the range? 20.5 minus 0, then it is 20.5. Then arithmetic mean. Mean rainfall. After adding all these, we will get 41.3. Then number of days is 7, so it is 5.9. Then 9th question. Height of 10 girls were measured in centimeter and the results are given: 135, 150, 139, 128, 151, 132, 146, 149, 143 and 141. Here, who is the tallest girl? That is the girl with a 151 centimeter. And who is the shortest one? The girl with a 132. Then what is the range? 151 minus 132, that is 19. Then how many girls have a highest more than the mean? For that we want to find the mean height. Mean height, after adding all, we want to find the sum and divided by 10. Then it is 1414 by 10. So it is 141.4. That means how many students have less than this height? They are 135, 139, 128, 132 and 141. Since it is 141.4, so we can take 141 as less than 141.4. So how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So children, please complete all these works. Thank you.